Most of us are already aware about the OWASP's top 10 web application vulnerabilities. Most of us are already aware of mobile application vulnerabilities, both Android and iOS. Most of us are already aware of OWASP's top 10 API vulnerabilities. How many of us are already aware of OWASP's top 10 LLM vulnerabilities, large language model vulnerabilities? 2023 being the era of exponential growth in artificial intelligence and machine learning, it is really important for us to understand what are the vulnerabilities that are associated with AI and ML, specifically large language models, right? So let us talk about the top 10 large language model related vulnerabilities. 1. Prompt injection. Tricking the AI into doing something that it is not supposed to by giving sneaky commands. For example, telling the artificial intelligence to ignore its rules and data sets and reveal certain secrets which it is not supposed to. 2. Insecure output handling. Trusting what the AI says without even checking if it is safe or not, safe, true or not. For example, the AI says something harmful or misleading without even being checked. 3. Training data poisoning. This is something that I am really worried about. Feeding the AI bad information on purpose during its learning or training phase, which means that its understanding about a certain subject itself is flawed. For example, if it is in medical domain, right? Say for example, the end user has to be given a particular medicine, and imagine the data is flawed, saying that a wrong medicine is to be given. The whole system collapses the base idea of having such a model in place. 4. Model denial of service. Overloading the AI with too many tasks, so it slows down or stops working, sending so many requests to the AI that it can't handle all of them. It's almost similar to our regular DDoS attack, distributed denial of service attack. 5. Supply chain vulnerabilities. Problems in how AI was made to set up, leading to weak spots. This is majorly leading to configuration related vulnerabilities on AI, using unreliable data sources that compromise AI's decision making. For example, have you ever seen, you can even say, crawl this particular URL and summarize me the whole data, or crawl this particular YouTube link and summarize me the whole video in short, right? Which means that the input is given in the particular URL format. What if that particular data that is given on the URL is already flawed and poisoned or a wrong data, right? 6. Sensitive information disclosure. AI accidentally gives out private or secret information, maybe including of secret key, app passwords, app configuration details, etc. And it also can be even the chat details of another user using the same chatbot. 7. Insecure plugin design. Adding extra features to the AI without properly doing safety checks. A plugin for AI that lets it connect to insecure websites. That's a very simple example. 8. Excessive agency. The AI doing more than it should, possibly causing unexpected outcomes. Since AI by itself has a large data set, it has a lot of data that it can crawl through, browse through, and interlink, which can also lead to wrong information from different sources being supplied as a part of the data response. For example, AI booking appointments without users' confirmation. Imagine that your credit or debit card can be automatically used by the AI for booking tickets, and imagine booking not just one ticket, not two, but even multiple tickets all at once. 9. Over-reliance. Depending too much on AI for answers or solutions. Using the AI to write news article without fact-checking its output. This has become one common blogging technique in most organizations, especially talking about OpenAI. People generally give a very simple prompt to create a blog article and post them without even fact-checking the data. And this is becoming one of the most primary problems that we would already be seeing in 2023. And the last but most important vulnerability that I would prefer saying is model theft. What is model theft? Someone stealing the AI or its design for their own use. For example, ChatGPT-4 is a generic pre-trained transformer, but there are separate GPTs that are available today focusing on a specific area or domain. For example, legal. For example, medical. For example, copywriting. So Imagine these models can be stolen and someone can use it as a competitor for the existing service that's available, right? So these are quick top 10 LLM based vulnerabilities as offered by OWASP. And I'm sure, unlike web application and mobile application, the renewal of this OWASP will not be more than 4 or 5 years. I think this is a very fast changing, fast paced top 10 vulnerabilities, and I hope that OWASP's top 10 LLM will be upgraded next year also. In case you did like, consider subscribing. Thank you.